It is very important to get the knowledge of accessing different objects in your NX work part, and if required, fetch different properties of these objects, and also find out the relationship of the object with other objects. This is very important while learning NX Open skill set. Hello friends, I am here, yeah, in front of you with another video, with another example, and this is what I am going to emphasize today. How you can find the objects, report some information of that object and its relation with the other objects in your work part. So you can see, as you can see, this drawing file, drawing sheet on my screen. So let's have a look around the example, which fetches the dimension values and the respective drawing sheet of the dimensions. Okay, so let's do this. I will go through this journal a little later. First, let's run this journal and see how it works. Not how it works, but what it reports. Okay, so I'm hitting play button, and with this play button, I got some information in this window. So, what this information is about the dimension values and in which sheet that dimension resides. So this information is very well listed down in this window. So value 400 its sheet, then 300 its sheet, and other values as well. I also have some zero values here. Then we have value 50 its sheet. I only have one sheet at the moment. The the drawing that I'm showing to you, it's having only one sheet. But imagine you have uh, another drawing where you have several sheets and several dimensions. So this particular journal goes through all of those sheets, picks up the dimensions, picks the value of that dimensions, and also identifies which sheet that dimension resides. Okay, so this may not be fully insightful information for you, but definitely with respect to accessing objects and its relationship with other objects, this is an important journal to learn. Okay, so let's see this journal now. So I will start from here, from submain. I have the DP, which is display part, then a dimension tag and a dimension object as dimension type. Okay, then I am using do loop here, and in this do loop, I have used cycle objects in part. This is a very important API under UF objects, where if we have provided the display part, the tag of display part, and if we have defined which type of object we wanted to find out, it finds out all of those objects. Okay, so once I use this cycle objects in part, I get all the dimensions because I have used UF constants as UF dimension type. Okay, and then uh, here I am fetching, I'm converting the type. I'm converting the type of the object that is found into dimension type. And once it is found, I'm just reporting the value of that dimension. The value of dimension is reported using that dimension object itself dot computed size dot toString. This is how it is easily reported, the value of dimension. And then this is where I am asking the dependency of that dimension view. And sorry, that dimension, not dimension view. So dependency is checked, dependency is fetched using the ask view dependent status. This is again an important API within UF view namespace. And this requires that object itself and its status is returned. And once that status is returned, then I'm using this if condition, and I'm also using echo function to report uh, that into the window that you see. Okay, this is the very simple which uses two uh, important APIs, cycle objects in part and uh, ask view dependent status. This is how I am getting the object and I'm also reporting the dependency of that object with respect to sheet. Okay, so this is the simple journal to learn and to improve your skill set in NX. Okay, and as always, it is also important to have the knowledge of programming language, because here do loop is used, then function is used, that is being called here, and again if statements are used to confirm that what we are reporting it is in a correct way, all of that. So that is also no need to ignore. Okay, so I think this is the uh, very well info for you to consider and look for your learning purpose. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye. Good luck for now. I will see you in the next example in the next learning video.